Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. This one is not about the old tin can telephone, instead about sound-powered electrical ones. Legend says they were discovered on Japanese ships after the Second War, but this poor guy seems to contradict it. The very professional ones are electromagnetic, but a piezoelectric one can be easily tested by using a pair of piezoelectric transducers for a microwave oven. They act like little compression drivers. It is very easy to attach some form of cone to them, in my case, to plastic shot glasses. Here is me shooting in my kitchen over 175 feet of cable. The switch is only to confirm there is no direct sound transmission. You can hear the results. Here, a normalized one in Audacity. From a radio or a phone, I can hear the music from a distance.